we're going to be doing some dancing and some stretching with the idea of thinking about the stars and the moon. And then we'll get all sleepy and do some yawning and cuddle up with a pillow. So if you want to grab yourself a pillow, like this, and then we'll put it to one side for now and we'll grab it back a little bit later. Okay, so let's start with our hands. Let's give them a little rub. And then what I want you to do is stretch them out like the shape of a star. So stretching out. You can do this with one hand or two hands, and play with where they're going to be in the space. They could be high up, or they could be really, really low on the floor. They could be behind you. Good, or in front of you. And how about trying to do one with two hands? So make one giant star with both your hands. And can you turn it from side to side and wiggle your fingers like it's twinkling? One massive twinkling star. Lovely. So now let's do a star with our entire body. So can you stretch out really, really wide? And then come back in. And stretch out like a big star. And bring it in. Good. This time let's try to make our star a slightly different shape. So how about come up with whatever you like. Stretching out like a big star and curling back in. Stretching out like a big star, shining, and then bring it back in. And bring it back in. And stretch and shine, and bring it back in. Beautiful. And now I want you to look up at the stars. And can you point at them? Lovely. Like you're finger painting and you've got white paint on your fingers and you're just going to paint the sky. One star there and one there. And I want lots over here. Anything you like. Painting the stars with dots in your fingers. Beautiful. Really, really big starry night with lots and lots of stars. And now we've got to draw the moon. So the moon, let's try and make a moon with our hands. The moon is a big circle shaped like this. And sometimes we have a half moon. And it's this shape. Can you do this? And with the other hand, a half moon. So let's try and make these shapes now with our body. So we've got a full moon. So drawing a big circle with both your arms. Good. And all the way back up. Big circle. And all the way back up. Big circle. Drawing the moon. Lovely. Can you do it with both hands together? One big circle. Good. Really big. And can we make the shape of the moon with our bodies? Can you make a circle with your whole body curling up into a ball? Lovely. Or maybe with your partner being half of the moon each. And all of this stargazing and looking up at the stars is making me a little bit tired, so why don't we do some big stretches with our arms? Oh, good. Can you stretch out one leg? Oh, lovely. Stretch out the other leg. Oh. And let's look at the whole body in one big star again. Lovely. So grab your pillow and give it a big squeeze, big hug. Good. And then give it another squeeze on the other side. And can you give it a squeeze and a hug with your legs and your arms so you're curled up in a little ball? Lovely. And let's pop our pillow down to one side. Ready for our little cuddle later. We'll give one last big stretch. We're going to sing a little song now, and it's called Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. And we're going to do some movements at the same time. If you like to, the second time, you can curl up with your pillow and sing it lying down, looking up. at the stars, so you're watching the twinkling with your hands, okay? So it's up to you. All right, here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Let's go again. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Lovely. Give yourself a big stretch. Oh, good. And curl up with your pillow. And you can look up at the sky that we painted earlier with our hands. Or you can close your eyes and imagine the beautiful night sky.